Okay, this is a 300 piece. Well, why would I have this over the 217? Walmart does this con with this case, this black case. They have the 217 piece that they keep. I think that's normal price is 120, and then right around October, November, they drop it to 98 and go, "Ooh, this is a nice price." But then there's always some other one lingering around. Last year there was a 275 piece that was lingering around for I think $70. So it had more pieces and it was cheaper. And it was hard to tell the difference. You just got to look here. And so if you saw 270 in the store, you knew that was clearance and lower, wherever. I don't know where we're going. But apparently this year, I don't know if this is some special that came out. The 270 piece says $600 value on it also. And you got this crap, and you're like, well, what is these extra pieces? This was only 70. Where the 217 is the 98. So what has it got different in it? I hope this is the 300 and no one swapped it, because as you see, you can easily swap it, what I just did. I was going to open it in the store, but then I saw the band that was still on there. I'll show you right now. You can easily take this off without doing anything. Well, I say that, it'll take longer than normal. I will proceed to take longer. There we go. So now we can just go put this right back on and say we never opened it. The same if someone bought the 217. So what the difference is I went through and I counted everything in this picture and I came up to I think 150 or 170 items. So what is all the missing stuff? I don't know what these extra 85 pieces are. You look over here, these things you get, these have 10 each, so you get 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So there's 110 of these. Your Allen wrenches, there's 20, so there's 40 of those. So you get 150 of these items. And for some reason, my math, maybe there was 100, maybe it's 150. Maybe this is 150, not 170. Yeah. I don't know where I'm going with that. The one thing I don't like about these boxes is a normal toolbox. You have extra space. Like everything in here is supposed to be tight so it doesn't fall. And as you see, this is falling out. Like, with a real toolbox, you have all the space. You could throw all your extra tools in there. So you have all these. And I think the difference between this and the 217 is, I'm not seeing it here. These are all the same. If you compare the picture, that's all the same. And I think you compare the picture, these are all the same. Except I thought this came with 22s. 21, 20, 21, 20, 21, 20, 1 inch. I swore it said it came with 22s. What were they? Drill socket. So the 217 doesn't have 21, 22. It doesn't have T8, T10, I don't believe. When I sat there in the store and tried to compare to see what was the extras. Really hiding all these other ones. Oh, is this where the 22s are? No, these matched. No fingerprints on these, right? No, it's just the glue. So you're getting all this, not the glue, the oil. So you get all these. Where's those damn 22 millimeters? Extra storage. So here's your 20 somethings of these. Oh, 2021. Here we are. Duh. All right, so this is the 300 piece. That's a 12 point. These are 6 point. So I think you get them at 6.2. So where's the 12 point? Oh, over here. 2021. Okay. Yeah, so that's the... That's basically the only difference between this and the 217 is these, I'm pretty sure. And then they just to boost the amount, they give you all these. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. 110 of these. And 40 of these. Well, I think there was one lower 6 millimeter. There was something where you got this one got a 3 millimeter. These, I think, yeah, you got a 3 millimeter and a 4 millimeter. So it's basically 6 things that are different. These things, you probably have like hundreds of these in different sets, so it doesn't even matter what's coming in here. If they were long or something, T25 is about the only one you're going to use. Maybe T27. Yeah. So, but anyway, this is a better deal than the 215 or 217. So if you look around your store, look for either the 270s, which are going to be old from last year, or the 300. And it's, you can see this crap over here, 600 value, whatever. You know, I wish these were ratcheting. I have not used a non-ratcheting wrench in years. Yeah, so there you go. This one's like $20 cheaper. Get it.